Italy, driving down Tuscany. From Florence to Siena, way at the bottom of Siena, you find a town called Castello di Verdenga. Tucked in the beautiful land is Castello de Bossi. Castello de Bossi history dates back to the 9th century, and it is under the direction of Marco Bacci, a fantastic producer, meticulous. The vineyard is just fabulous. So this is a Chianti Classico Riserva, vintage 2015. Berardo is the name of the wine. So just so you know, to bear the Reserva, it has to be a minimum of 2 years in oak, a minimum of 12.5 alcohol, and 3 months in the bottle. So let's sip along with Layla. Oh my God, look at that gorgeous color. So beautiful luminous red, almost. The aroma, the unmistakable notes of Sangiovese at its best. Dark cherry, plum, enhanced by some spice and sweet spices, actually, dark chocolate. There is a beautiful floral component in it. And I have to say, what I taste, what I smell is violet. Beautiful integration of oak. It has been rated 98 points. It is a wine of the month. It's we have it at a special price, so all of you can enjoy it. $6 or $7 less than the actual retail price should be. It's just a phenomenal wine. One of the best Chiantis I've tasted in a long time.